Okay, let's continue with the sulfated ash experiment, and we are on step 9 now. And I already cooling this down after step 8, and the burning ceased and no more smoke are generated, and then I put it at room temperature cooling down. After it's cooling down, we go to step 9, which need us to add some concentrated sulfuric acid, about 6 or 8 drops, but 6 or 8 drops of sulfuric acid. Now this is concentrated sulfuric acid. Now I will add 8 drops sulfuric acid into the evaporating dish. One, two, three, 4, 5. Let's bubble. 6, 7, 8. Since I have bubbles in 2 of the drops, I will another 2 drops. 1, 2. Okay. Now we will carefully heat the evaporator dish and until the white foam fumes are no longer produced. My question is, why we need add sulfuric acid? Give you some clue. And what's the relationship between sulfur in the oil and the sulfuric acid? And give you some background. Even low sulfur content in the oil, there still will be some sulfur. And when you burning the oil, carbon become carbon dioxide. Sulfur gonna turn to sulfur dioxide or sulfur trioxide. And now you can see the white fume come out. Sulfur trioxide. If there is moisture, it will turn into sulfuric acid. And continue with that while we add sulfuric acid. And so sulfur turns to sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide reacts with moisture, produce sulfuric acid. And sulfuric acid can also react with metal additive. And remember when we just burning the oil and it's gonna produce sulfur dioxide. At that time, metal additive will react. Some part of the metal additive will react with sulfur dioxide product, the combustion product. However, we cannot 100% sure all the metal additive has been reacted with sulfur dioxide. If there is some leftover metal additive doesn't turn into ashes, softed ashes. Now this add extra sulfuric acid will solve that problem. As we can see now, the white fume almost gone. After the white fume is gone, I will take this, remove this from the flame and put it here and let it cooling down to room temperature. And now we are on step 12. And after it's completely cooling down, we will come back.